Hello and welcome to Carpet Man Perth. Here's a quick overview of what we offer. New carpets. Choose from a wide range of styles and colours. We'll bring samples right to your home, measure your space and provide a personalised quote, making the selection process as convenient as possible. Carpet stretching. If your carpets are looking a bit tired and wrinkled, like myself a bit I suppose, our advanced power stretching techniques will pull them out and extend their life, making your home safe again, all backed by a lifetime warranty. Carpet laying. We guarantee a perfect installation with a lifetime warranty on all our carpet laying work, using only the best materials and techniques to ensure lasting beauty and durability. Carpet repairs. Specialising in virtually invisible repairs, we can fix any carpet damage, from burns and pet accidents to wear and tear, ensuring your carpet looks as good as new. Why choose Carpet Man Perth? We're locally owned and deeply understand Perth's unique needs. We offer quality, guaranteed workmanship. All our work comes with a full warranty, promising satisfaction and excellence. Convenient payments. With mobile payments available, handling payments is easy and is cleared. We provide peace of mind with every job. Wide coverage, serving areas from north to Yanchep and south to Rockingham.
Carpet Man, you know he cares. Carpet with stretching lays.